To all my loyal viewers, supporters, the ones that we are watching now say nothing, no worry, still a soon. Love on the same way. To all my new subscribers, my potential subscribers, what are you waiting for? Click that notification bell. Up, the kitchen will get started and we have some nice things are going on in there. And for all of the people them way,
love them belly.
yeah man, the show will start. Welcome once again to another episode in my new kitchen. Yes, I didn't give you an introduction to my new kitchen, but as you can see, it is newly constructed and looking good. Not gonna see everything today because I'll be just giving you a simple and easy video. But before I get into that, it feels like so long since I've been in the kitchen. Yes. And
my hair is gone.
Yes. I never thought I'd lose it, but yes, it's gone. Yes, it's gone. And as you all notice, I have a patch next to my eye. I had a very unfortunate accident. I'm so grateful that, you know, my eye hasn't been affected. And thanks to all who has outpoured and showered me with love and get well wishes and all. I'm grateful to all my loyal viewers and my loyal supporters and the ones them who are watching now say nothing, I still love you. So today I will be preparing for you some hot pepper sauce, but I will put a little twist to it. As you know, I love put twist to things. So it's not gonna just be hot, it's gonna be sweet as well. Right, I'm a camera lady around there, she just seasoned with herself. Yeah, so my hot pepper are gonna be sweet. Alright, so I've had some peppers in my freezer for some time now, and yeah, freezer, that's what I said. So I place them in my freezer for them to last a bit longer, because you know these things will spoil after a time if they're not put up well. So yes, they're all frozen and I've cut them up and stuff, and I have all the other ingredients on the counter here that will be going into my sweet pepper sauce. So I'm gonna get my food gloves on and I'm gonna get right into it. On my counter here, I have all the ingredients that I'll be using to make my sweet pepper sauce. In this container, I have half of a small lime. The seeds and the pulps have been removed. 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. 4 cloves of chopped garlic. 3 teaspoons of brown sugar, and you can use less sugar if you want. 1 teaspoon of salt. Honey, that will give my pepper sauce that sweet that I want. This is 3 tablespoons, and you can use less honey if you want, or more. 1 chopped small onion. And I did show you my peppers. They have been sliced into half, and please do wear your gloves because these peppers are hot. If you want to remove the spice from the peppers, you can remove the seeds, because the seeds, that is what carries the heat in the pepper. And yes, so I'm going in with everything. So I've chopped 1 pepper in half so that it will fit into my blender better. I'm gonna go right ahead and add my ingredients. This will be done in 2 parts because I'll be using my magic bullet and it can't hold everything at once, so I'm going in with half the amount of ingredients in it. going on with the cover now, or the base, which I'm gonna add to the blender. Give it a little shake just to get everything incorporated. And you know you could have hold everything, but let's just do half an hour. So I've just paused for a little while to add the rest of my ingredients, and then I'm gonna continue blending. And it's smelling so spicy. Yes, smelling very spicy. Rest of my garlic. Vinegar. Oh, the vinegar, I should have said this to you. The vinegar is a means of preserving your pepper sauce, so it can be left on the counter for weeks, months, and it won't spoil so easily. So that's the reason why we use vinegar. Bring in the rest of our honey. So gonna blend until all the ingredients in the blender have been dissolved. And here we have it. One more blend, as I like my sauce to be refined. I want to get all the ingredients puree. Oh! And he was suggesting to me the other day that I start a new edition. And I've been thinking about it, and yes, I've given it some good consideration. A series called Weird Food Combos. I think I would add that to my channel to spice it up a bit. So if you don't know what Weird Food Combos is, a combination of different foods. They want to gross me out. Some things, like some people put Milo in rice, some people put all different sorts of stuff and different things. I think I want to venture into it. Not that I would enjoy eating
some of it,
combos like of whatever sort, but just to add a little spice to the channel, I think what I want you to do with a try is to can look in the description box below for my IG page. You can leave in the comment sections below some of the weirdest food combos that you have come across. I would like to know just what you find as a weird food combo, or what you would like to see me post on the channel as a weird food combo. So you can hit me up on Instagram, or you can leave in the comment section below for that. So stay tuned, I'll be starting that series as soon as possible. So now that my sweet pepper sauce is finished, I am going to remove the base and pour it into my container. Now, as you see, my pepper sauce has this bright green color. It all depends on the type of peppers that I use. As you can see, I didn't use any red pepper, so it wouldn't have a red color. I use mostly green and yellow peppers, so hence why the color looks like this. So I'm going to remove it from this container and pour it into another container. This is how I like it, and it is very hot, smelling very hot. I really don't. I really would like to taste it on my tongue, but I'm not gonna do that because I can just imagine how hot it smells. Just to imagine heat coming from it if I should taste it. I'm gonna transfer it into a container that has a lid. So for now, I'm just gonna showcase it into this container. And there we have it, our sweet pepper sauce. Remember guys, try whatever suits you in your kitchen. Turn your hands and make fashion. Add whatever seasonings to whatever meals that you want, as long as you don't boom up the pot, right? I was in the supermarket just the other day and I spotted a pepper with sorrel flavor added to it, and it came to my mind. I just thought, you know, I tried different variations of stuff. Don't be afraid to try anything in your kitchen. It's your kitchen, explore all you want, have fun. Thanks for watching guys, take care.
Can I try some still?
I would love to. You're crazy. It's not burn out my throat. It's what you want to do guys. Thanks again for tuning into Lee's Kitchen. Please remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell for any new content we drop. Yeah man! Alright, like, share, leave your comments below. Any questions or queries. Respect.